Anyways, that's some some vibes, you know. Let's see. Yeah, Azul. That's the S&P there. Just wanna take a screenshot of this. Discord. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello. There we go. Good morning, Dee. Good morning, Onion. Tesh. Good morning, Carry On. Good morning, Dave. Good morning, Azul. Good morning, Mayhem. Good morning, River. Good morning. Good morning, Spencer. Justin. Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Lizzie. Good morning, Samuel. From your workshop today. Let's go, Samuel. Let's go. Jordan. Good morning, Patricia. Good morning, Prime. Good morning. Good morning, Jericho. Paul. Ayo. Mr. Chairman, hello. Good morning. Ryan, good morning. Troy, you've been waking up lately, like early. Wow. Greg, ayo. Burns Spy. I mean, it kind of looks like it's going to be a red day though, Archer, right? We'll see what happens when the market does open. So there was a bit of a, right? So PPI came out. We had a nice sell-off, and then it's trying to recover, but still red. So it might just be a slow burn day. But you can't really tell though until the market opens and you see that initial reaction, right? So we'll see. Pavan, good morning. Archer, good morning. Bradley, good morning. Christopher, good morning. Jay, good morning. But he is going to grab the bell by the good morning, Yi. Hello, hello. Yeah. Let me get some music going here though. Some musics. Let's see. No. Perfect. Yeah, seems to be holding that bottom for now. So that's the S&P on the left-hand side, guys. That's Bitcoin above 101 still, so that looks good. LASC has been a nice runner this morning. It looks like it came back for the retest, closer to $1.50. So kind of this standout for now. right? And then there's a whole bunch of other names that we're going to be looking at. They all look sus. BURU does look good though. It looks like it's trying to break above 45 cents. So if it can break above that, that would be good. ZENA has a lot of supply now at $7.30, so it's going to need to break above that, right? So we'll see. Yeah. Zang, good morning. Christian, good morning. Bloody Thursday for SPY. Yeah, we had a crazy green day yesterday. Well, not. Dang, I wish I could listen to like non-copyright music on stream, because we would vibe all day long. All day long. All day long. There's better music than this rubbish we listen to. But it is what it is. War, good morning. Well, I mean, they might as well invade before, yeah. AYRO. Let me take a look at that one. AY. Yeah, that's a pretty nice sell-off. I'm going to leave this one on the side here. AYRO. AO, Mark. AO. That's a nice pop. Yeah, so a bit of support in the mid to low 90s here for AYRO. Not bad though. See if it stays above it. GM suppliers, what they are. Interesting. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it. Yeah. So I think closer to like the low 90s, a bit of a safer spot for this one. So we'll see if it can dip. That would be nice. But let's see. Riot trading. Okay, coverage. It's almost like an analyst coverage. Cool. Seriously, Mr. Chairman. Seriously, it would be vibes all day long. All day long. So yeah, again, BURU looks okay. Coming up the demand zone and the 200 EMA. PALI looks like it's creating a double bottom at like 276-ish. So let's see if we stay above that. LASE looks like it's creating a bit of a downtrend now, right? And yeah, so we'll see and then go from there. Alrighty. Here we go. Good morning, Dan. AO. So yeah, again, the S&P just had a nice pop. So that was a perfect bottom, by the way, for SPY. Perfect bottom, right? Perfect bottom. La 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 la. Perfect bottom for features then. Perfect. That was you. Is so far being impatient. 2%. And yesterday, very happy I took a small loss today compared to yesterday. You're up 79% of your account this week. Okay, you're still green overall though, right? So that's good. Yeah, you want to make sure that like you're really focusing on the strategies that work for you, and then you wait for those onions, right? Because they're always gonna come around. Good morning, Oleg. It really is. It really is. Um, I'm too patient, never pull the trigger, miss the boat. Yeah, in your case, Spencer, it's a lack of like, a strategy that you trust, right? So maybe what could be your fix is paper trade. Like honestly, paper trade, try a whole bunch of things. Like actually trade strategies, and then see which ones you're comfortable with, right? When you're not pulling the triggers because you don't trust anything, you don't trust like a strategy, you haven't practiced anything enough where you can be like, you know what, I see this all the time, I like this strategy, I trust this strategy, so I'm going to pull the trigger, right? So yeah. Joyce, that's what they said yesterday. That's what they are saying. Maybe Bitcoin can push above from 102 today. 102. PALI's coming off that double bottom there, so that's good. See what happens already. AYRO is dipping, so let's see if that thing can give us a deep ski into the 80s, right? BURU again looks like it's stalling a little bit there, though, at 45, and then ZENA is still playing games here between that range. So we'll see. Yeah, Spencer. Yeah, practice. Anyways, and later in the morning and getting antsy. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah. No, that's annoying. Yep. That is annoying. Question for you guys going into the open though. What's your favorite stock? What I think again for most people, LASC would be the favorite going into the open, right? But what's your favorite stock going into the open, guys? I wanted to see that thing drop closer to that trend, closer to the 50 E. It's not gonna do it though, is it? Not gonna do it. Maybe after the market opens, we'll see. We shall see. But yeah, for now though, LASC clearly a standout, right? Chris, for you, okay, sounds good. Dan, yeah, I know. Patricia, yep. All of the miners, sounds good. Zhang, you like CDT? Sounds good. Sounds good. LASC Gale, yep. This has been a good one this morning. So again, if you're not in Discord, you're missing out, right? This one was clearly spammed in Discord. I think a whole bunch of you guys were getting in the 130s, right? A whole bunch of people got in this morning in Discord around this price on the breakout, right? And then boom, 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 and then dipskis, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. Dan LASC. LESC. And then I want to see what happens here with AYRO. See if we can consolidate and curl after the market opens and then go from there. Alrighty. APVO, what a crazy stock that was in the morning in those first two candles. So yeah, watch $10 ish for support if it can stay above it. ZENA again, let's see if we can stay above 680, right? 680 to 670, where that 200 EMA is sitting at. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Alrighty. Please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, click the link there from Tesh from Nightbot and come join us. Good morning, Mitchell. Hello. La, 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 la. 92. Okay. 92 pennies. AYRO. Yep. Let's see. See what happens. Good morning, Raven. Hello. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And then the chaos begins. Let me make sure we're good to go on my end. Let's go, Raven. Come on, make a trend. Well done, Raven. Yeah, you guys were cooking this morning in Discord. You guys were cooking. And Raven hit that daily goal already in pre-market, so that's nice. Well done, Raven. Congratulations. Let me take a look at dipping there. I like that. What else do we like here? BURU maybe, and then a little bit of this. Raven, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Sky, yeah. It was Virus. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. Are you ready for the violence? Look at that. Spy is like, hey guys, I want to come back. But that was a beautiful double bottom for the S&P though, right? Especially if you're playing futures in the morning. That was a beautiful bottom there. And then pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. And here we go, guys. We are open. Open for violence. So let's see what LASC does here. Already, so looks like again we came back and retested, and now that thing wants to cook. That thing said, "Let me cook, please, Dan. Let me cook." Back to the highs of the day again. Be careful though, right? That thing basically just pushed to the double top again, and it's coming back down. So be careful. Alrighty, market open, chaos. Be careful, right? The other one that we like again, AYRO. It looks like it's kind of consolidating on that uptrend, right? So let's see if it consolidates and then goes from there. But again, like we said though, right? Just be careful at the open when these names are pumping like that because it can be chaos. Look at that, right? So the first candles here at the open, yeah. The first candles at the open can be all over the place, so just be cautious, please. Righty, please and thank you. But clearly, this is the favorite for now, right? LASC. ZENA dipping, Wheeler dipping, APVO looks like it's curling a little bit. BURO, watch for support around 41 to 40 cents there. PALI is still holding support around like 276, so watch 276. Ready for support. And then we're back to the two favorite names that we like for now. Alrighty. So let's see again. LASC needs to break above so 187 is what it needs to break and close above, and then off to the $2 race. Alrighty, so it needs to break and close above that double top there, and then it can then we can look for new levels. Ooh, some riot calls. There we go, Grim. And then AYRO is just kind of playing games there. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Perfect. I'm just looking at all of these other names, especially at the open here. Especially at the open. There's the dip we wanted to see, right? So I wonder if there's more dip skiing though to interesting. Okay, let's see. Perfect. So much chaos. TRVI is popping there. Ooh, TRVI, TRVI. That's a pretty nice pop, actually. My goodness, that thing said, "Watch me go. Watch me go, guys. Watch me go, go, go." Shish. Look at the size of that damn candle. Look at the size of that candle. Truck. Interesting. Okay. That's a pretty nice pop though, even though it has resistance at like 140. Okay. Oh, I see. I see why that's I see why that's a thing. Okay. Sounds good. I see why. ZENA is bouncing up to 200 as well, isn't it? Yep. BURU looking good. And so is this one's actually halted up. APVO is halted up. APVO is halted up. Upsies. AY, we might actually go back and retest that 80. We might actually go back and retest. Uh, we might actually go back and retest all the way down. Okay. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Palantir. Are you in? Are you getting into Palantir? Palantir. PLTR. Oh yeah, those calls virus. I am. I think that thing just needs to go all the way back to $80. Honestly, all the way back up to 80. All the way back up to 80. Okay. Perfect. 81.5. That's a very nice entry, actually. Very nice. Yeah. I think that initial entry, Raven, was a bit of a like an impatient one, just because, right? Even though we knew that at some point it had to go back and retest that 200 EMA, had to go back, right? So now that's perfect. So had to go back and retest the bottom side there. LASC, guys, is just kind of going sideways for now, so it's going to need to break it. As soon as you said I put the limit in for that price, yeah, it had to go back and retest. So that was a bit of like, okay, are we actually just going to bounce up the 50 or go back to the 200 like we think it usually does? So now the question is, can it push back above 90 and then push into that supply zone, right? Again, LASC, sidewaysness, right? But the good thing is that it's holding $1.65. So if you're playing with LASC, just make sure that it stays above $1.65 and you're okay. Alrighty, deal. Uh, yeah, let's see here. Let's see. NVDA. Some NVIDIA puts virus. Maybe. I keep saying LASC, don't I? Yeah, that's because it's a different stock that we played with. My bad. LAES. My bad. So LAES. They need to start making these sticker symbols like very similar in, Lewis. Anyways, so one of these names needs to give us a push here. One of these names needs to give us the push. It's going to be this one, probably. There goes 177 again. So you got in at 65, stop loss 62, and 59. Okay, perfect. So you're green in that position for now, which is good. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. We're at 91 now, trying to. Right, so the bids do need to catch up on this thing, though. The bits need to catch up on this thing because they just keep the spread is still not where you want it to be, Raven. So they need to catch up. They need to catch up to the current price. Okay, perfect. 84 AK. Okay, there you go. So you're green in that position. Yeah, the bits are just a bit annoying though. Bitcoin with the sell-off, guys, and so is the market, right? Selling off to the same level again. Ready? Sell off to the same level. Let's cancel. Okay. Oh. There we go. Yeah, beat the markets. Markets are looking weak. Weak. Very, very weak. Weak. Ish. Weakness, but again, we do have support at the bottom now. Alrighty. And then we're just waiting for LAES here. See if that thing can give us a breakout with some volume. As positive, I have no idea. I haven't looked at the news yet. They're shutting down their facilities. Okay. There we go, guys. There we go. Okay. Let me just. Okay, there we go. So nice little pop for the S&P there off the bottom. So is Bitcoin. Bitcoin with a really nice pop as well, right? AYRO is still looking good, holding that bottom. So let's see if we can stay above that. And then this one needs to break and close above. So here we go. Here we go, right? So same resistance though, right below 90 cents for for LAES. Same level there. So I just watch that resistance. Try not to FOMO if it's gonna fail there, please. Alrighty. What have we done to SPY? SPY, my goodness, SPY is crazy. Like, look at the size of the candles. That thing looks like it's going and then wash back to the abyss. So again, it looks like LASE is still LAES is still number one on the list, isn't it? Right, especially if we can close above that, and then the other play we like is still AYRO. So then there's a whole bunch of random ones. Sensonic, DJT, yeah, that's the momentum today as well. ZENA isn't doing anything. We haven't talked about that one a whole bunch. Wheeler looks like it's in the demand zone, but meh, right? APVO is halted down now, nothing to see there. BURO, meh, right? So we're still kind of stuck with the same two names that we like. Maybe a little bit of like TRVI as well, right? But nothing's really changed there. Nothing's really changed. Nothing changed. Same names. Here we go. Let's see if we can finally close above this level here, Grim. Up 870. Okay. Here we go. 91. 92. $1.92. It's gonna need to close above like $1.90 there though, and then push. Here we go. Looking good. If you're holding a LAES, type in yes in the chat. ZL, are you holding ZL? Which in this case, it's a good thing. Type in yes in the chat. Yes, Ryan? Love it. So we're hitting brand new highs of the day there. So it would be nice if we could just consolidate above this double top though. That would be perfect. Just consolidate above it, Consolidate and keep cooking. So make sure you're moving your stop losses higher though, please, guys. Already. Make sure you're moving those stop losses higher. 62% is quite nice. So, and it's still having a hard time just closing above $1.90. Having a hard time. Yeah, King. AMPS is AMPG is done well for you. Done well for you. And SPY just did the exact same thing again, right? Exact same candle again. Okay, it's just going back and forth. There you go. SPY is all over the place. Not quite sure what it wants to do yet. Looks like we might finally close above here though. We might finally close above $1.90 maybe on this candle. Let's see. Minus 55%, yeah. That's why it's important, to not hold some of these names overnight. Interesting. Let me pull up AMD actually. Virus. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful AMD. Beautiful. Virus is smiling this morning, just smiling. Yeah. Looks good. Let's see if that volume continues to come in though. And we're still having a hard time closing above $1.90 here, but it does look good though. Only guessing? You're predicting $45? Yeah. I'd be surprised if that happened for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. So, yeah, AMD does look really nice. Locked in most of your calls, AMD and Palantir. You can relax now. Just hold AMD 150s. So Gen 24. Okay, yeah, you have a lot of time then. Lots of time on that. Yeah, that's not a bad play at all, right? So you and then so 175 to 189. Yeah, that's a pretty nice scalp. I like that it's consolidating above that previous high. I'm just waiting to see if it can close above $1.90. Waiting to see if we can close above. But selling when it's stalling though. I see. Okay. I see. Getting some March calls for Apple if we can go a little lower. Okay. Sounds good. Eric. For AMPG. Yeah, no, that thing looks really good actually. I think 280 was yeah, 280 was one of the pre-market levels. King. So maybe you took some profits at that resistance. Hopefully. Yeah, the S&P back to retesting the bottom again. Is it actually gonna pop this time, or is it gonna break down again? Is it gonna pop again or break down? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I think it's like, it's my time to crash now, isn't it? Oof. That thing said, nope, not this time. We make new lows. If that thing closes below this level, it might be time to. It might have picked a direction. If it closes below that pivot, there. Yeah. Did you move it up at all, AK? Hmm. Yeah. You. Where did you put it, and did you not move it up? Because that's a pretty big loss if it's breaking below 80 and you got in at 84, right? Because that's 4 cents basically there. That's a big loss. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Oh, you're looking for bottom feeds? Yeah. It looks like we're still struggling to close above 190 on this thing. So good exit for you, Bill. Right? Nothing wrong with that. You see resistance, you take it. Uh, Oof. Yeah. So that 190 was a good selling spot there. Bill, good job. Well done. Yeah. Exactly. Q. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. So BTC is bouncing back on its own without the S&P. EMPG still does look good though. Same resistance, 280 king. Same resistance. They're bringing Palantir back down. So I mean, again for LAES, watch the same support, right? Closer to $1.65, right? Again, this is why honestly, like when you see resistance and it's stalling, there's no like just take the gains, right? And then wait for the dipskis. Maybe go back in again, right? So lots of resistance up there. Lots and lots of resistance up there for sure. So let's see if we can consolidate around $1.65. And AK, okay, sounds good. Yeah, no, that's annoying for sure, right? So when you're in a position and it's moving up, you always want to try your best to move that stop loss a bit higher, alrighty, or move it to break even. Um, yeah. So just watch $1.65 ish there, and then $1.60. If we start breaking below those levels, then you have a problem. So, $300 plus king. Well then, yeah, it just seems to be going back and forth, Dan. That means scams. Yeah, probably. 83. So glad my stop loss hit at $1.83. You got in at 157. Well done, Jason. Well done. Good job. Yeah, again, that's why these stop losses are important, honestly. Because sometimes when you're watching a stock and you're like, you know what, I'm just gonna watch it so I can sell it on my own. Sometimes the candles are way too fast, right? By the time you make the decision to sell, the candle's gone from like 186 all the way to 169. Like you've lost a whole bunch of monies, right? So as much as we don't like stop losses, sometimes they can save you, So they can really save you. And it's 2 weeks. before Christmas and not through the haze. And not a trader was steering, not a in place. Let's go. Let's go, Josh. Yeah, CTNT. Why do you think it's about to blow, Cube? Why do you think it's about to blow? Oh my goodness, Josh. Oh my goodness. 50? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Josh, Z Santa is in the chat, guys. Z Santa. Merry Christmas to you, wonderful people. Merry Christmas to you as well, Josh. Ooh, we. Thank you, Josh. My goodness. Hoot. Yeah, looks like yeah, there we go. Unstoppable virus. Yeah. Unstoppable. He's pumping Bitcoin. That's what's happening. Bitcoin is going up. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, BTC is going for that 102 now, Josh. So highs of the day 102. The markets need to behave and start pumping already. So in LAES, Travis, you got in a 112. Is that what you're saying? Let's go. Yeah, no, congratulations, Travis. You're gonna have to give me more details of your position there. Again, congratulations if you got a free membership, guys. Congrats. Ready? Congratulations. There goes Spy wanting to pop back up again. Of course. Again, so for LAES, again, it's holding that 165, right? That's your support. So as long as we stay above 165, there's hope. Hope. Hope of a better thrust. Oh, you do, Josh? Oh, okay. Coming in today of nuts right now. Much love. Alrighty, Josh. Enjoy. We'll chat later. Thank you very much, Josh. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Okay, there we go. Holidays. Uh, Genesis, just come join us. Genesis, just come join us. Just come join us. Oof, Spy said, let me go back up, please. My goodness, unnecessary volatility. Just unnecessary. Very random the way that it's wanting to move. AMPG is pushing back up as well, so that's good. King, are you still in that position or you took profits? Highs of the day for AMPG. AMD came all the way back down, so good job, Iris. Uh, Wolf? Okay, sounds good. You're playing options though? Virus, sit on your hands, please. Sit on your hands. Sit on your hands. Go do jumping jacks, please. Do some push-ups or something. Do something else. Looks like Palantir is slowly coming back a little bit there. And then again, AYRO, as soon as that thing broke below, meh, garbage, right? So, garbage. Look at the way, like, look at that, Dan. It's up and down, up and down. Like, there's no clear direction here for the market. No direction at all. Crazy. No. There we go. Up and down, up and down, up and down. It looks like LAES broke below that bottom there. So watch the 200 there next. Closer to $1.50 if you're still interested. Already? Yeah, you might want to wait for Dipsky closer to the 200 and see if it consolidates. And then $3 resistance here for AMPG. $3. You can tell though, today looks like a scalp day. Like everything is all over the place. All over the place. No. Okay, there we go. QMCO. Is that another quantum name? I think so, right? I think so. Huh. Here we go. Yeah, Virus. I think so too. Yeah, I think that's one of the names that will do well when he takes office. The only question is when, you know. Let's see. Today's a bit of a wild day. Luna, you got stop lost on a TRVN. TRVN, what is it doing? Yeah, I don't understand what you mean. Like stop loss. What did you get in at? That thing looks like it's sitting in the supply zone the entire time for the most part. Right? Like it's sitting right at resistance right there. So you want to be careful if you're getting in anywhere close to this price because all of the candles are basically failing at the top there. right? There's not a whole lot of room if you're buying in this range here to resistance. So you always have to ask yourself that question, like, where's my resistance? If I buy this price, where is it going to? Is it actually going to break out? You don't know that, right? So you want to be careful. You want to be a little bit cautious. And any money after 9:30, the game is catch a buy before 8, sell market open pops. Not necessarily, Chris. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. You just want to be careful because some days, again, the market just does this at the open. You want to be careful. Like, just give it time, right? So pre-market has those crazy moves because that's when the catalyst initially comes out, right? So you can catch it at the very, very beginning. So 55. Yeah, I like that you're doing 3 months in virus. Yeah, right? Because you might need to give it a bit more time to to actually play out. Yeah, so that's good that you're giving it time. I think that's going to be one of the stocks that we look back on this year and say, oh, you know what, we should have known that. It's we should have known that. So it's a square by 10. Yeah, that's the market open. And theta, yeah, I like it. Here we go. Yep. It looks actually we came back to test that 15. So there you go, right? Spencer, I think you were asking, right? So there you go, Spencer, right? So $1.50, 200 EMA, and then pop immediately to 160. I think there were a whole bunch of people waiting for that 150 to come for LAES. So I just wasn't paying attention, and it happened really quickly. Barely any consolidation. So, but that 150 hit, and then immediately we're back to 163 here. 160. Here you go. La, 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 la. Oh, this dude's annoying. Sometimes that Jake dude is annoying, virus. Here we go. You were watching, Yogi? Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention, but I wanted that 150. I was just looking at some other things. So quick little 10-cent scalp maybe there, Yogi, right? At the very least for now. So not bad at all. Dad, I know this is rubbish. It just kind of looks like we want to maybe go down, you know? Looks like we want to maybe go down here because that's a lot of weakness. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Now that we're closing below the bottom there, we might have finally picked a direction, but that's just unnecessary volatility. But uh, spam some rubbish sometimes, you know. Uh, 84. Okay, good. Yeah, Q. Yeah, good. Yeah, no, those are really really important. As much as you can like a play, you can never predict what it's actually going to do. So stop loss is very important. Let's see if that thing can cook above the kernel again here, Yogi, because it might just keep finding resistance. That last support was 165, right? So 165 all of a sudden now for LAES is resistance. So that's exactly where that last candle went to, 165, right? So you don't want it to all of a sudden fail there and then go back to 150, but it might just do that and create a double bottom. Hopefully that's it though. Virus, yeah. Uh, oh, TTAN is an IPO. Okay. TTAN. Line RGTI. Yeah, we might be going back to the quantum names. The quantum names. Absolutely, Yogi. Absolutely, that's fine. That is absolutely fine. For this week, 78. Tight stop loss on all. Well done, Jordan. Yeah, well done. So the good thing though, Yogi, is that it's sitting in a demand zone, so it might just consolidate. Yeah, the S&P is like, you know what? Yeah, I think we go to the abyss now. I think we go to the abyss now. Yep. I think said we close below, we go to the abyss. Weakness. Perfect. Looking at dozens too. Dan. Yep. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. AMD puts. No. Okay. There's a lot of chaos happening in the options world this morning. Yeah, that $3 was your last sale there, King, for AMPG. $3. And then this one clearly failed that resistance there, Luna. Right, again, a lot of supply at the top. When you're buying close to supply, it's very very dangerous. So I know there are times where it breaks above, but very scary. Yeah. So and then LAES needs to break above $1.65 if it wants to go anywhere. What a slow morning, huh? Like unbelievable. It's like it's just scalps. That's it. Just scalpies. Other than that, like it's absolute rubbish. Unless Wheeler wants to keep cooking, you know. Sabio, yeah. Truck is moving up. I'm just waiting for it to load because for some reason it doesn't want to load. I blame Dan for this rubbish. Look how slow this is. It only takes 100 years. Yeah, that thing dipped and came back to the highs of the day. And it's still loading. La, 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 la. Okay. APTO. Trading is lagging for you too. Yeah, like it's just stupid. No, that's not what it is, Lion. It's just stupid. This is ridiculous. Unbelievable. Good morning, Sean. They're still on dial-up. No, we invented the internet. Look it up, Lion. This is silly. Silly. NVDA. Look at how long this is taking. Just to look up a chart. Virus, we'll find out after it pops up the double bottom. Yeah, Wheeler does look nice though. Wheeler is pushing there. So from 29% to the 40s. Okay, this is a bit ridiculous. As a maple syrup. This is a bit stupid. Only 100 years later, and then it starts to load. Kind of looks like it does in the virus. So 135 at 80. Yeah. 135.80, yeah. I just don't like how weak the markets are, though. Just don't like it. My goodness, just to load up another chart, it takes another 100 years. I try refreshing this. See if it improves after I refresh. Maybe it will. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that was a good breakout for Wheeler there. 560. It's actually a really good breakout. Like it. 48% on this one here, 50%. I mean, honestly, anyways, I'll stay quiet, Stifler. There goes 52% for Wheeler. That looks nice. So only concern now is that you're approaching that supply zone, but that's a really good pop for Wheeler. Very nice pop. GOSS. ZENA. Yep. Just gonna stay quiet. You're in at 255. Should you hold? You're in at $2.55. Where's your stop loss at next gen? My question for you is: you got in at 255, right? From 255 to $3.20, and you're still in it, right? So from 255 to $3.20, and we're coming back down, and you still don't have a stop loss next gen, right? So you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Right at this point, honestly, you might have just just give it a second and see if we can bounce back up, right? But you should be having stop losses that you're moving up, please. Alrighty. There goes the S&P bouncing again because it it just likes to cause violence because it's confused. And Bitcoin has done a good job holding above like that demand zone. So let's see if we can stay above that. Watch the S&P go from red to green. It's greed, yeah. No, absolutely, I agree. Because for you to go from $2.55 to $3.20, that's a nice gain. There's no need for you to just leave it there. You will be happy if it goes back up, but then I would rather you sell at resistance and then come back in at a cheaper price. So, because that was a really nice entry you had. It was perfect. At the very least, though, don't go red in that play. Alrighty, don't go red. So put a stop loss somewhere. Let me look at Oxy again. Let me look at Oxyvirus. The Oxy, more redness on Oxy. Huh. Oxy does have some violence on the way down, though. Uh, Interesting. Yeah, 52-week lows, 47.20, so not that far away. Interesting. And dividend play. Wait, what's the dividend yield on this thing? 1.82%. So nothing crazy though. I'd rather be in the S&P and get 1% because a lot of these, growth ETFs will give you like 1% to 2%. Is it pumping back up? Yeah. So it's done a good job staying above that $1.50, hasn't it? And then back to 170. Done a good job there. Yeah, I was you did CK? I'll take a look in a second. Take a look. Well, what I'm tempted to do is sell my Bitcoin short position and put the money in Oxy instead. Oxy options. I don't know. I'll think about it more. I do. Yeah, I do like that idea though, going into like a Trump, a presidency, because I think that thing could potentially do well, right? I think energy is one of those sectors that will do well with Trump in power. So, but do I want to close my BTC short though? uh, I don't know if I do. I don't know if I do. I am kind of tempted. Hey, yo, Monster Hots, Medina. Let me look. Let me look. Let me look. Let me look. To stop selling all energy to the US, so then price go boom skis. I wouldn't bet on it yet. Let me look though. I just want to look like not anytime soon though. Like I want to look like a few months. Virus, which ones did you pick again? Let me look for like March 2025. March 2025. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. I actually like that. I actually like that. Yeah, 55. So 3 months in. Yeah. So March 21st, 55s. So the virus took these ones here. Yeah, I don't mind those ones. Those ones still look nice. They do look nice. Let me look for like June 2025. Let's see. Yeah, these ones are barely getting any action. Barely getting any action, and they're way too expensive. Double the price, no actions. Zero volume, that's for sure. Yeah. So I think you're on the right time frame there, for sure. Yeah. So maybe May. Let's look at May. Yeah. See, these ones are equally a bit more expensive for no reason. So I think Virus has the best ones there. The S&P just had a nice little pop. A very nice pop. Did you put a stop loss next gen on your AMPG yet? Look at that, right? You just went from 320, from $3.20 all the way back to break even, right? You can Tony, yeah. Yep. Ish spies are on drugs here. Drugs. Yeah, that downtrend is acting as resistance right below 170 for LAES. Uh, there we go. Greet. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Lizzie, what's your question for GOEV? What's your question? What is your question? You paper traded 57 to 69. Okay. Little 10 scalp. Not bad. Yeah. So once you see that little downtrend forming that 70, it's not a bad thing to sell. Okay, sounds good. I'm just reading up on some of this rubbish here. Okay. That sounds good. There we go. There goes the breakout. There goes the breakout. Zena's cooking. Did you get in, Luna? I hope you did. Yeah, retrend again. If you have a question, guys, give me some details. Please. I'll take a look. Just let me know. Like, hey, I'm in this position. Hey, I'm looking for an entry into this position. Blah blah blah. You did, Luna? Well done. Yeah. So, yeah, GOEV. Yeah. Otherwise, I look and then you're gonna be like, oh, but I'm not even in it yet. Oh, I'm already in it. Oh, I'm holding options. Then I go back to go dance. Are you asking if 17 cents is a good entry? This morning would have been nice, closer to 13 cents. Right? Yeah, just because you have those 3 candles on the daily time frame, that would have been a really nice bottom for you. If I wanted to get into this position now, I'd be waiting for closer to 16. I'd be waiting for more of a dipski here, or just let it get above 18 cents and consolidate. Yeah, because it's had a nice little run already from the bottom here. It does. Genesis, don't worry. We had some SA vibes early this morning. Well, when I came on, I was listening to some SA vibes. You're welcome. Let me take a look at Riot. So 1150 seemed to have a lot of support. 1185. 1150s. 1185. Yeah, there is a lot of support at 1150, but it also has a lot of resistance though. As soon as it gets to like 1340 to 1350, there's a lot of resistance there. So to me, it kind of seems like it's sitting in no man's land now, though, doesn't it? But none of that matters if Bitcoin cooks, because then it's going to cook immediately, right? Um, yeah. So this, like, honestly, even yesterday would have been nice. Even this morning, would have been nice. Um, but yeah, closer to the closer you can get to 1150, the better it is. Just because that's what it's done for the last month, right? The last month or so, it's been right below 1150 ish. It's bouncing back up, so that would have been the level to look at. Not much to the yeah. But if that thing can break above like 1350 though, then oof, then $15 when yeah. Yeah, exactly, TK, exactly, exactly. Ayo Kodai, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, so for those of you guys that got gifted the free membership, just take advantage of it and upgrade. Alrighty, take advantage of it. No, 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 no. Hmm, interesting. Perfect. Yeah. No, you're welcome, TK. You're welcome. You are welcome. STEM. SPY is really coming back with a vengeance. That thing is back to the highs of the day. Obviously still red, but what a comeback. Look at that. Yeah, today is just one of those days, like up and down and up and down. No clear direction in the market. No clear direction in the market for sure. Which one's virus is that a CELH? Let me take a look. CELH. Does look interesting, doesn't it? What does this company even do? Uh, functional drinks, liquid supplements. Hmm, interesting. Mm-hmm. Mm. Not sure what to think of this one, Virus. Not sure what to think of this one. Fridays, Friday the 13th. Yeah, like an inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, up like 28.40. Yeah, but now it almost needs to break above like 31. Or just close the daily candle above like 31.50, and then you have room all the way to 36. Right, like right there. That would be the target if you were interested. Yeah, so it just needs to close above that 50. I think the last time it closed above the 50 was a long time ago. It was at $82. Right, so that 50 has been dragging it down. So it looks like it's finally maybe going to try and close above the 50 again. And if it does, then I think that maybe that's when the volume is going to kick in. That's when the volume might kick in. Interesting though. Very, very interesting. Raven, yeah, that's yeah. Yeah, exactly, virus, exactly. So you got in at 51 and sold at 75. Okay, let me take a look. ZENA. 51 and then sold at 75. Okay, good trade. Yeah, that thing did a good job consolidating at 630-ish and then bounced. And SPY still causing violence. Well done, Luna. What are my thoughts, Greg? You bought at $2.50, AMPG. My thoughts are it has to stay above 250. Um, those are my thoughts. It looks like it's trying to create a double bottom of 255, which is good. So um, hopefully it stays above that level. So just make sure you have a stop loss close. Alrighty, you're still green. You're up 16 cents, right? So that's not bad at all. So if I was in the same position, I would want to like put a stop loss, like at the very least break even, but most likely in the green somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow I think we're gonna do a Legend Voice stream. Virus, Legend Voice. Yes, sir. LAES just LAES. Let's go. Legend Voice is a lot of fun. We can actually like communicate and yeah, I like it. So and then we need to do more of that next year. But yeah, at least Fridays we just same thing but just in Legend Voice. Maybe bottom. I'm still reading up some more stuff on Oxy because I want to know why the stock has been struggling as much as it has. Um, because so these dudes have 1.8 billion dollars in cash. Not a whole lot of insider holding. Oh, 1.8 billion dollars in cash. What are they doing with all that money? It's a lot of money. You're welcome, Greg. uh, Virus, yeah. In after hours. Yes. Oxy. Uh, because the Oxy looks very weak. I just don't know why it's that weak though, Virus. Yeah. I also want to know why Warren Buffett owns 28% of Oxy. Why does he own that much of it? And he's been selling Apple and the other ones. Why does he stay in there? I mean, he should have bought Bitcoin is what he should have done, not stay in oil. Oil. La, 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 la. Maybe that thing could give us a dip to the low 40s. The low 40s. Because that thing has some downside to keep him alive. Raven, yeah, yeah. Sell a bunch of it. He used to own 22% of it. People thought he was trying to acquire it. Okay, because it says he still owns 28% of it. So yeah, he sees violence coming. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, Oxy could be a potential hedge. He knows drill baby drill. Yeah, 42. Yeah, Virus. Yeah, 42 could come for Oxy. For sure. Okay, sounds good, Jordan. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Alrighty, and see you later. Ooh, Spy's gonna go from red to green. I think it's gonna go red to green. It's only down 60 cents now. That's a pretty good comeback, actually. AMPG is curling up that 255. So for those of you guys holding, that's good, guys. Ready? So back to 270. So again, just make sure you don't let it go back below. LAES, nothing. Weakness. Zena's done really well, Luna, right? Almost, I mean, it's back to $7 basically. So pretty good comeback for 625 to 630 to $7. And Riot is still playing games there, playing the games. Uh, he sold a bunch. Maybe I need to look at that actually. No 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 no. Yeah, I don't see any reason why. I know they have debts, Oxy does. Yeah, but that thing looks like rubbish. Uh, I do like the risk reward though on those options virus, but then I would have to close something else to do that. That's the other question. Because I kind of do like having a BTC hedge, you know. The render is like whatever. See, for anybody else, that would be an easy decision. Just sell the damn BTC hedge and buy some Oxy, you know. Can you imagine if Warren Buffett said, "You know what? Let's get rid of this." Can you imagine the chaos? That thing would go to zero. Hmm. Uh, uh, funny. Yeah, but then the price action though, virus 23.8 now. GOEV. Did you get in, Lizzie? Yeah, no, it's yeah. I know, Lorenda. For you, this is an easy decision, you know. Like whatever, just close the damn BTC shorts. But I kind of do like having a BTC short, you know. Like if something crazy happens and it drops, then that short could add to the BTC position, you know. That'd be very nice, Lorenda. Very nice. Uh, More as the years went on, Bill. I think so too. People just followed him. I think so too. Like it's Tesla. See, now I know what happened with Tesla. So you did at 18, Lizzie. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done. There goes LAES, guys. Nice pop. So higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. That 150 was the level, Yogi. No, it really is, Lorenda. It really is. No, it's maybe I'm just gonna do it. Just gonna do it. You know, I'm just gonna close. I'm just gonna close that short and rotate the monies. Just rotate the monies. You know. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. What is the cat of Zhang? I'm not sure I understand. Not sure I understand. Yeah, no, that's true, virus. No, no, no. I'm only considering this though because it's a BTC. Because it was money that it was just a hedge, you know. So I was ready for that money to go to zero, anyways. Otherwise, I would not touch Oxy. Otherwise, I would not touch the dang thing. because that's me taking on more risk in predicting the future than I would like to. Oh, that thing's already had a nice run, virus. A very, very nice run. A very nice run. Probably going to be one of those names that we look at, in 3 months, 6 months, it's back to $30 though. Back to $30. Yeah, that's a good run, Luna, for ZENA there. Very good run. Almost seems like the money is going from AMPG to LAES. Interesting. PLL, yeah. Wait, what happened, Yi? Oh, on the side of the screen? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, funny. Yep. Oh, virus just wants violence. Amazon. Unbelievable. Can you just leave Amazon to cook? Yeah. What is this? 3 days now? Amazon has been failing at 230-ish. Even though like it pops above and it comes right back down though. uh I mean, virus is not a bad short until it cooks again. No, it's not a bad short though. And then just close it if it breaks above like 230.40. Uh, Kazakhstan. Okay. I want to know what the reason is. Yeah, virus. Just you can do it. Just get rid of it if it breaks out. You want to know the reason? I'm not sure if it actually had news. Maybe just momentum. Maybe just vibes for GOSS. Maybe there was in the catalyst. And then resistance at 105. Good run though. 78 cents. 76 to 110 basically. Let's see here. Mm, July. No. Okay, perfect. Multiple ways. Yes. All the alligators. The alligators. Right. Yeah, BTC. BTC. I'm just distracted reading up on Riot still, on Oxy. Just reading up on the garbage. Uh, uh, yeah. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I want it at 0. You know that video we watched yesterday? 0. Only the phones intended. My goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, let's see. Support on your place after they dump and yeah, Grim monies. uh, yep. It's AMPG. Yeah, AMPG came all the way back down, guys. So I hope some of you guys took profits, especially those of you that got in at 250, 255. That thing's basically back to your entry price, and that's pretty annoying if you're doing that. If you're doing that. No vibes. No vibes there. Yeah. No, it's looking a bit weak. But you do have some support at 250 though. So if you can stay above 250, then that would be a good thing. If you can stay above 50, that would be good. 450s on Microsoft, yeah. Anything calls, honestly. Anything calls. Any swings you're liking yet, Grim? Uh, I don't see anything, and the market's pretty annoying today. So we just scalp. Use your experience and scalp. You know, that's the goal today. 17 cents, yeah, yeah. That breakout was uh when because that depends. Okay, there you go. MDAI, okay, and ESPR sounds good. You have both of those, okay? Sounds good. Let me take a look at MDAI again. Fits the theme for sure. Not really doing much for now, but only concern for this one would be that it's had a nice run already from $1 to $2, so it's gone up 100%, and it's sitting in the supply area. But it also has support for over the last 3 days at $2. So as long as it stays above $2, that's okay. Maybe that momentum can kick in again, right? Yeah. So and then if it breaks above 240, then send it. ESPR. That was a nice dip actually to $2.30. So you might have got this one closer to that price. Yeah, 175. Okay. CADL. Sheesh. Wasn't this the? No, this wasn't the one. That was CDT. That was a good breakout, wasn't it? Good dip, good breakout. Actually, a very good dip and a very good breakout. Like it's an easy chart to read. You know, you can see the break. You can see the curl up the bottom. You can see the breakout. Yeah, it's nice. And then obviously now 1050-ish resistance. 1050 resistance. Mm. Huh, interesting. Bitcoin going back up. Yep. So it's SPY. So yeah, BTC needs to clear that 102, and then coke, 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 coke. Okay, perfect. Amazon minus 20%. Okay. Paris, you just don't like Amazon, do you? No, 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 no. From nearest to okay, interesting. Only proportion to 1.5% rise. In other words, mm, do, 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 do. Okay. And then GOEB. Canoe. Yeah, that thing went all the way to 24 cents and then coming back down. So that was a good breakout for you, by the way, right, Lizzie? So good breakout above 18 cents and then boom, 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 all the way to 24. Did you stay in it or did you sell it? So now what you want to see is consolidation, right? Consolidation above 20 cents. If not, then it's going to come back and retest. Uh, and then Grim is going to be right there to pick up the pieces. Right there to pick up the pieces. Do, 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 do. You know it. Let's go. You sold at 23? Well done. Congratulations. Perfect. Well done. 23. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above 20 cents now. 20 cents. No, you're welcome, Lizzie. When are you going to join us in Discord? Is the question. When? When? Let me take a look at this one as well, actually. That's a nice demand zone. It's a very nice demand zone. Interesting. LAES. There you go. Resistance 180. $1.80. Let's go, virus. Come on now. Levels. Levels. 42 months of goodness is what virus is showing you. Let's go. 42. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Virus, thank you for all you do. Virus is the OG, you know? Yeah. Virus was there when people were getting drunk on stream. and 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 asking the wives to make them coffee. Oh my goodness. Crazy times. Let's go, Varys. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it more than you know, and more than I could ever say thank you. So thank you. Much love. And then, yeah, let's go. GOEV. Oh yeah, you're looking for that breakout. Z breakout. Do. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, BTC's on fire. BTC's like, let me cook, guys. Let me cook. Just let me go. Let me go. I want to go. Oh yeah, okay. There was perfect. Okay. Let me go. Let me go. No, absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. I agree. Okay. Preview. Preview. Okay, perfect. Lorinda, absolutely. It seems like every time I'm happy that I do it, you know, but I just like having it just in case, you know, just in case. Uh, so, hmm. Why isn't it giving me there we go. Here we go. Spy also said, you know what? I'm gonna come back too, guys. And yeah. Christian, you're in at 7 cents. I'll take a look. For some reason they're not giving me those Oxy options though, which is interesting. Which is very interesting. Which is very okay. There we go. Just had to load. Keep crashing it, Oxy. Keep crashing it. Plenty of time for them to expire at 0. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it does. It does, doesn't it, Lorenda? It does. And then get above that all-time high. Sheesh. Yeah, that's actually really good, Virus. The delta and the theta on these things. Uh, that they got balance here. I'll take a look. I'll pull up an article, Virus. Dang, it's not letting me do it. It's not letting me do it. Not letting me do it. Hmm, that's annoying. Let me take a look, Virus. ACHR. Is this what it is? This one, right? December 12th. Yeah. I think you said Palantir, so maybe this isn't the one because I don't see Palantir in this article. Yeah, no Palantir in this one. So maybe, yeah, maybe something else then. No, 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 no. I have a lot of like really good news. These are your people, Virus. So signs agreement to launch electric air taxis in Abu Dhabi. Interesting. Yeah, maybe it's just somebody else. Yeah, no Palins here. But some cool news though. We're in 04, Luna. Yeah, that's okay. That is a-okay. Absolutely okay. Agree. Mm, more. It did? Yeah, it did. Breakout and then push, push, push. That was a good curl though, right? It was a good curl from the bottom here. So you could have been in sooner than the breakout. Is ZENA good long term? Estimated $50 per share. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's Travis. I don't think it's going to go to that price. Yeah, don't think so. Alrighty. Uh, 1 second. 1 second. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
For trade-related inquiries or to move an investment from one account to another, press 1. To move money, review your account, get help with Webroker, the mobile app, or any other questions. 2. For technical support.
To call these idiots, you know. Okay, there we go. Now we wait. Yeah, no. So where did you see that $50 price target, Travis? Probably from some website, right? So be careful. I don't think I see that, but meh. Meh. So just be careful with stuff like that. Please and thank you. Interesting. Okay. GOEV going back up. Yeah, it's curling. It's curling back up, Greg. So that 20 cents, that was a nice little retest, which, for the most part can be anticipated, right? Like you break above 20 cents, you probably come back and test 20 cents. And then your next big level is that high that it's hit 24 cents. 24 cents. Grim anticipated. Yeah, see? Exactly. So yeah, especially when you're retesting and holding multiple times, right? You can kind of guess and hope that it stays above 20 cents. Guess, hope, pray, all the above. You know? And then now again, anytime you get close to that 24, it seems to come back down. But you saw that 22.7. Well done, Greg. Love it. Well done. And then ZENA is failing in that supply zone, so not a major surprise. BTC looking nice still. The S&P still needs to get back to green. Kind of has the vibe like it will at some point, but we'll see. Good little scalpy, Greg. Yeah, that's the same one. Virus, yeah. Not sure why it says Palantir contract though. Yeah, maybe so virus. Like if you click on that thing and scroll up, like if you click on like the actual like alert, there should be like a link to the article. It might actually take you to like the filing. Then you can see. Already to the actual filing. 07. Maybe some of these. Are you still in those riot calls, Grim? Mullen. Pop and dump. Mullen. Close to 22. I mean, it probably will. Hopefully. Raven, very nice. Sensonics. Is it about? Oh wow, yeah, nice. Finally sitting comfortably above 37 cents, actually. Yeah, almost feels like that resistance yesterday became the base today, Raven. Very nice. When 50 cents. When 50 cents. 50-50. Do, 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 do. 260 calls for March. 7% is monies, you know? Okay, sounds good, Raven. Of the upper band, 20% win only. Yeah, that's not bad though. Better than redness. Better than redness. Huh. Interesting. What's MSTR doing with this last run here? MSTR. MSTR is surprisingly showing some weakness today, even though the do you have some cover calls, Yogi? Some weakness on MSTR. I bet you they're just waiting for Bitcoin to break out. You know, break above that high, and then some of these plays will start running again. That's about it. MSTR does move like a maniac, actually. No. 10? Okay. Sounds good. Company, no. Do. Mm, almost like BTC and SPY inverse sometimes. Do. La. Uh, was one of the best decisions. I'm you're calling it for the day. Okay, sounds good. Was one of the best decisions I've had. Learn something new and useful every day. On top of that, Green instantly paying off my membership. Love it, onions, love it. Glad you joined us, and have a wonderful rest of the day as well. Alrighty, much love. I know, right? Like, what the hell are they waiting for? What the hell are you waiting for? Love it. Yeah. Mm, yeah, those dudes. You actually learn, carry on. Absolutely. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. Perfect. NVIDIA 140 at 12:20 calls. So next Friday, 140s. Ooh, look at Zena. Zena said, "Hey guys, remember me? Slap." Right. So again, you can see the supply zone. So you should not be buying. At the very least, like that supply zone goes on for days, right? So, anyways, when you see it stalling like that, just take your gains and move on. Otherwise, you're gonna be reminded why that level is red. You know, you'll be reminded why that level is red. Okay, well they wouldn't let me do it by risk, so they're like, nope, no, no, don't do that, please. Nope, don't do it. Let's see. Huh, interesting. The buying pressure, GOV. Yeah, no, that looks good. It's back to retesting that 24 again, so it needs to break out now. Yep. And there it goes. New highs of the day. Yeah. See if it actually closes above this time, though. See if it actually closes above this time. Mm, yup. Grim is smiling now, guys. He's smiling. Smiling. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. Just give me time and money all over again. $1, Grim. $1. Which ones, Dan? Which ones? The Oxley ones in Delta? Yes, please. There goes 25. Oh, the NVIDIA's uh, NVIDIA 140s. Yep, that was a good double bottom earlier when you asked the virus. Yep. So let's see if it stays above 136 today, and then push for 140. Those 140s. Yeah, the only downside to this is that it doesn't give us like all the data you need. You know, that's the only downside to this. I don't know why they. Dang, these are actually nice. Hmm. And they're down 30% today. Discounts. Yeah, as long as it stays above 136. As long as it stays above 136, then that's okay. Is Bitcoin still hitting resistance? Yeah, a little bit. Some resistance there. Can I take a look at SMR? Yeah, what's your position for SMR? Let me know. What's your question? SMR. Yeah, you get a $23. What are you looking for here is my question, basically. Your current position. Oh, nice. Okay, good. Well done. Very nice. You have a stop loss in that position? Yeah, congratulations. 19 is quite nice. You must have bought this thing. Oof. See, the only thing I don't like about what you've done with that position, the only thing I don't like, when did you buy this? When did you buy this position? Yesterday? If you did yesterday, then that's nice. I hope you didn't buy this thing like a month ago in November, right? And then you rode it all the way up to $33 and then all the way back down. So 24 and then back to 23. Yeah, no, I think if I were you, if you're happy with the gains, take the gains because you might have a lot of money in this, right? And yeah, if you have a big dang, jang. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying, right? Because I'm looking at this, it hasn't been to $19. So you bought this thing all the way down here, which was beautiful, and then it went all the way up from 19 to $33, and then you rode it all the way back down to $20 again. So now your question is, should you close this position, right? That's tough. Yeah. I feel like if I was in this position, I would just set a stop loss at 22.50, just because 22.50. So 22.50 is this level here, right? That level right there. And also this is kind of the bottom that it hit today. So then I would just set a stop loss right below that level and then hope that it doesn't go below that. Yeah, because yeah. I'm also not sure why it went from 33 all the way back down though, and if it's gonna go all the way back up. So unless they look good tomorrow, yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, cool. And the nines. Yeah. You're welcome. Okay. Oof, that thing said, thanks, guys. Thank you very much. Oof, what a beautiful breakout. GOEV. Grim is waiting for $1, guys. He's just waiting. He's waiting, you know? Just waiting and smiling. that candle was almost at 29 cents, so that's a pretty good pop. Monies, Grim. Monies. HT monies. You're gonna keep it though? You're not gonna take any profits? No profit taking at all? Let's see. Yeah, and then there's that supply zone that it failed to close above at 27.50. Free monies now? Okay, sounds good. I took half profits on that pop. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well done. As much as you want to see a dollar, secure the monies. And then that was a really good run. Hmm. Yeah, absolutely, Grim. There goes 2020, 27.50 again. Maybe you can break it this time. Not yet. Not yet. Virus. GOEV. Come on, go, go, go already. Yeah, Raven, this one looks good. Sensonic looks very good. Very, very good. Still holding up. I think 30 cents is the yeah, I agree. I think that's why we broke above 27.50 last time, because it has some really good volume to the upside. Very good volume to the upside. Hut is about you. Uh, Perfect. From there it goes. That thing said, "Hey, yeah, Grim, catch me outside. Catch me outside." Details. Do you think it's coming back, or should you cut your losses? You got in at 380, Patricia. I'll take a look. Take a look, ski. I'm trying to take some monies out of my trading account so I can go Christmas shopping. But what is the trading monies for if it's not for spending, right, Grim? I'm kidding. Right, chats? Give me my monies. Give me my monies. Unbelievable. No one cares. Stan, you know what? You know what, Bigfoot? You know what, Bigfoot? Anyways, Yeah, it's still struggling with 2750 here. So just to close above. 15 seconds left on this candle. Like it's an insult. uh, yeah, exactly, Raven. And then he gets in trouble. Unbelievable. Uh, hot dates at the barbecue restaurant. uh, in the sky? Okay, that's better. Better, Grim. That gets you out of trouble? Okay, good. Oh, funny. Yep. Yep, yep. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Interesting, actually. Okay. Listen to these haters. Barbecue restaurant in the sky, Raven. Yep. She's gonna have PTSD, but then at least she's gonna be like, okay, you know what? At least there's a nice view. Like, you know what? He's improving. Fine. We'll accept it this time. Ah, unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Uh, I'm yeah, better than me, Grim. According to Dan. Uh, unbelievable. Nothing to say. Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Oh. Huh. Uh, what is? Oh, 60 cents? GOEV? You think so? That would be nice, yeah. Why not? Why not? I mean, first things first, it needs to close above resistance. So if it does, then 30 cents. And then other levels, you know? Mm, mm, mm. But now it's not quite breaking out yet. So maybe a sell off is going to happen there. Yeah, SMR is slowly curling there. So hopefully it gets back, to better numbers. CADL with another pop. Brand new highs of the day, guys. I bet 38%. Not a big deal, but for this stock it is. Not a big deal. Raven still looking good here for Sensonic. And then back to GOEV. uh, Dan, unbelievable. Um, um, Yeah, so there goes your sell-off, right? So resistance, resistance, dips, keys. So if you're in the position, that thing gave you so much time to take some gains. So much time to take some profits. Virus. I know, right? Let me take a look at HUT. HUT. I don't. Luna, this is not cooking. Maybe this. I mean, maybe, right? From 28 to 28.40, yes. But when we say cooking, cooking is reserved for the names that are actually cooking. Like, okay, you could say like this, bit of a run, maybe, you know, yeah. Okay, maybe it's starting to, to get warm a little bit, but let's see. Yeah. SPY came all the way back down, guys. All the way back down. Bitcoin says nope, not yet. But again, above 100K is very nice. Very, very, very nice. So that's good. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will hop off in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What's GME at? Interesting. GME. GME. How is LA looking? I mean, it's testing the 200, so $1.60. So, Captain, you wanted to stay above $1.60. Alrighty. Patricia? Oh, yeah. Let me scroll back up here. What was your question again? I don't quite remember. Something about TN. Yeah, let me take a look. So TRNR. You got it at $3.80, and it's at 3.30 now. Do you think it's coming back, or should you cut your losses? See, the thing is, you wrote this thing all the way to $2.95, and it's been slowly coming back, right? Hopefully, you didn't buy. You bought this thing in pre-market, didn't you? Yeah, pre-market. Okay. Yeah, because to me again, and this is why again, like just as a lesson for next time, Patricia, like anytime you get in a position, you should already know the exit, right? Like, okay, this is the worst I'm gonna do, right? That will change the way that you trade. As soon before you're getting into a position, you want to know, like, okay, you know what? If this isn't working, like this is the level that I need to say, you know what, screw this, right? That might be $100. It might be because it's 10%. It might be because your max loss is $100, $200, right? Because once you start asking other people, like, hey, then maybe you're down to a point where you don't want, you're down $500, $1,000. That's not where you want to be, right? So to me, again, once you're breaking, like once you're stalling like that, that's a problem, right? So that thing was stalling at $3. You either bought this thing and then you were green, or you bought it on the way down when it was crashing, right? So when it's breaking down like this right there, that's not a good thing. That's not a good level to be buying, right? Um, I mean, again, even at that point, you want to say, you know what, if it goes below 370, right? 350, big level, right? If we go below that, I'm just going to close it. So in terms of like what you should be doing now, I would just honestly leave it for a second and see if we can stay above $3.20. Ready? So just because again over the last, like, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, right? You can see that it's trying to consolidate in this range. So now the 200 EMA is caught up a little bit. So I would probably just watch 220 and put a stop loss right below and hope that it goes up. But at this point, you're hoping. Eventually, guaranteed money sucking. Yeah. Yep. INVZ. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, always think about that downside first. Always think about that downside first, Patricia. When's your did you have a one-on-one yet, or you have one coming up? When's your next one-on-one, or your first one? I don't remember. But yeah, always think about the downside first. Think about the risk first before you think about the reward. Okay, 12:16. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. 58. Okay. Sounds good. Any last questions, guys? So there goes LAES bouncing up that 200 EMA again, right? So as long as it stays above the 200, okay. If it breaks below that 200, you have a problem already. And then if it goes below $1.50, it's dead. Throw it in the garbage. Sensonic looks nice. Raven is just smiling as it's slowly creeping up like a snail. Uh, Haya and Haya Raven. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. In the garbage, ST. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, and come join us in Discord. Already? Yeah, let me know if you have any last questions. Oh, let's go, Grim. Are you playing? Are you playing that song? Oh, that's funny. I need to find that again and because I think it's somewhere in the computer. But give me more, give me more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The only thing that song is missing is some of the thrust vibes in there. That's it. Some of the thrust vibes. Give me more. Give me more. And the it does, doesn't it? It does. It does. Number one song on Spotify this year for me. So you can tell I listen to that jam even when I'm not, on stream. Sometimes I'm driving to the gym and I just have the same playlist, driving to the gym. I'm like, what am I doing? But it's still a vibe. Still a vibe. Thrusting on the treadmill. Uh, uh, I don't know. To the window, to the wall. uh, and thrust. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like a retest of 24-25 cents for GeoEV, right? That last breakout, Amar. So, yep, you break out, you come back and retest. And it's actually done well, like just consolidating above the 50 and the trend. So as long as it stays above 24, you're fine. If it doesn't hold 24, then that's when you start to think of like 21 to 20 cents. This is why Grim is in trouble, by the way. You know, for the amount of thrust beats he's listening to, and then his girlfriend is gonna be like, okay, so you like to thrust, huh? I see. Who are you thrusting with? Uh-huh. And then Grim is like, nobody. Hot Trades. Oh, Hot Trades is the OnlyFans, huh? Oh, yep. Uh, there you go. So then he takes her to a romantic barbecue place on the moon. Exactly. uh, exactly, carry on. Exactly. Oh, Jericho. You're gonna get him in trouble. Oh, unbelievable. Yep. You know, little does she know that Grim just wants to go to the moon so he can thrust on the moon. Not even for the barbecue or to take her to a nice romantic spot. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. There goes 2650. Nice little bounce. To the village avocado tree. I was like, see, you know how expensive these avocados are? You know, more than flowers, more than anything else. Oh, 27. Come on, go, go, go. Grim, how did you get a lump on your throat? What happened? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There it goes. 28 cents. Woo, what a comeback. Nice pop. Uh, Infection? Okay, okay, okay. Ah, maybe it's time to get up the stream before they ban us. uh, yep. Again, we're gonna be in Legend Voice tomorrow, so maybe come join us in Legend Voice, because then you you can get more tea in Legend Voice tomorrow. Jericho? No, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Junes. Penicillin. Let's see. What did we get here? Patricia. Virus. Bye. 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 Yeah, no. GOEV looks good, so it just needs to break out now. So that 2750 still needs to be closed above, and then Grim can have some more monies for the for the sky, for the moon place. Uh, Funny. And some Christmas lights outside. Yeah, I think that's the right thing to do, Dan. GOEV, just be careful. Hopefully, it's not a double top here at 28 cents, guys. We're going to leave it here for the day, though, guys, already. We shall leave it here for the day. Enjoy the rest of the day. We'll be in Discord tomorrow. So, again, if you're not a member yet, make sure you become a member and join us in Discord. We're in Lambo, righty? If you do become a member at some point, send me an email. Email is hutritsx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite to join us. If you're not a member, if you're not a Legend member, make sure you upgrade to Legend because the Legend voice is for Legends and Goats tomorrow, alrighty? So again, have a wonderful rest of the day. See you Discord. Have a wonderful weekend if we don't see you on stream. And see you next week, tomorrow. Much love, everybody. And what? And thrust. Much love, everybody. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Bye, all.